All right, welcome back to the Quarter Acre Homestead. This is Matthew, and today we're going to be checking in on our rooster. We live in a neighborhood. We actually have close to 1/3 of an acre here, and so we have neighbors all around us, and we've got to make sure our rooster doesn't bother them. So we're going to show you what system we have set up, and we're going to check in on him because he seems to be crowing a little bit louder. So let's go ahead and we'll show you what we have on our rooster. This is a crow collar. We actually made it ourselves from some velcro that we bought on Amazon. I will put a link in the description if you're interested in making your own. Also, you can buy crow collars that are made specifically for roosters, and I'll put a link for that too. But we just made our own out of some cheap velcro, and it worked really well. The rooster doesn't crow very loud, but for the last few days, maybe even a few weeks, it seems like he's crowing louder, a little bit louder. So we are going to check his collar. Basically, the collar needs to be tight enough that only a pinky can fit between his neck and the collar, and if it's more than that, we need to tighten it up. So let's go check in on him now. So what you have to check, here's the collar. Hey buddy. And you have to check that only a pinky finger can fit in there. So his, like my pinky finger fits, like even this finger fits really well. So he needs to be tightened, which is why he's been crowing so loud. Okay, so let's tighten this up a little bit. He's pretty loose. So this is the collar. This is just velcro. So I need to mark where it is now. Right there. We'll let his neck air. Ouch! Bit me. Bit my finger. So we'll let his neck air out just a little bit.
Can we let him fly to get all his dirtiness off?
Okay.
And then you're supposed to throw him. I guess I gotta catch him again.
Okay.
So I got him back.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, he might peck me. I probably should wear gloves.
Might hurt.
No.
Yeah, big.
Okay, I'm gonna go get gloves.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get gloves because he's attacking me.
Yeah. Okay, I'll get some more food. Hold on tight. Put him on the ground then.
No, wherever you want. He's gonna kind of jump if you put him on the ground.
Here you go. Ouch.
Under all these feathers. I think we should keep going. Wait, hold it up, Faith. I think what happens... Okay, let him try that.
Okay, now we need some water for him. He's like, I need water. I need water.
Isn't there water in there?
You're playing water.
He doesn't need it, I guess.
See,
without letting any more feathers get in there. You think it's tighter than it was before? Alright, so it looked like his collar was a little bit loose, so we tried to tighten that up. The hard part was all his feathers were kind of getting in the way of the collar. So I think maybe what's happening is we did have it tight enough so his crows were really muffled. Basically, I believe when they crow, their airway has to open up really big, and with this collar, it can't open far enough. So then they crow, and it's super muffled, kind of like cock-a-doodle, and it kind of dies off. But I think what happens is there's feathers in between there, and after a couple months of wearing it, those feathers either come on the outside or they fall out or whatever, which makes the collar loose enough that he does have more room for his airway, which makes the crow get louder again. So we tightened it up, and we'll have to check in on him every couple weeks or so. The other thing we do, though, to keep his crow from being too loud is behind me here. We have the chicken coop and then a chicken run. So the rooster and the chickens, they sleep in the coop, and we have a light sensitive door. So when it gets dark, the door shuts, and so all the chickens are locked inside. And then in the morning, we have it set to not open for like an hour or two after sunrise. So that way the rooster's inside when the sun comes up, and he crows inside, and just the building, the walls and the roof and everything make the crow a lot softer, as well as his collar. So I know sometimes our neighbors watch our videos, so neighbors, if you can let us know in the comments if the rooster's too loud or bothering you or anything, that will be helpful, because we do want to be good neighbors and not be waking anyone up early in the morning or anything. But here in our house, in the morning, we can just like barely hear him when he's inside the coop and with his collar. Once they come outside, we can hear him a little better, but we're hoping with tightening this collar that will make the noise a lot less. So that's the update for today. I had a birthday a few days ago, and my wife gave me this shirt, so I'm pretty proud of it. Let me know what you think. It's a Bigfoot carrying one of our favorite mushrooms, the morel mushroom. We found quite a few of those last year here in Washington State. We did take quite a few videos of it, so we might put together a video to upload to YouTube. Let us know if you'd be interested, and let us know if you have any questions on the crow collar. But that's it for today. Thanks to all our Patreons for supporting us. If you're interested in building a coop, if you become a Patreon for $5 or more, there's free coop plans. This is similar to the Carolina coops, but we appreciate all your support. Hopefully we're going to be posting more videos, so let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you on the next video.